Angono is a municipality in the province of Rizal. Is widely recognized as the art capital of the Philippines. Located along the eastern shore of Laguna de Bay, Angono is a town rich in history, culture, and artistic heritage. It is home to some of the country's most celebrated artists, including national artists Carlos Botong Francisco and Lucio San Pedro. Throughout the years, Angono has continued to nurture creativity, making it a vibrant center for visual arts, music, and cultural tradition. One of Angono's most popular landmark is the Blanco Family Museum, established in 1980 by painter Jose Pitoc Blanco. The museum served as both a gallery and a family home, displaying hundreds of artwork that reflect Filipino life, faith, and community. Inside the museum, visitors can find paintings depicting rural scenes, fiestas, traditions, and family values, all portrayed with stunning realism and emotion. What makes this museum truly unique is that every artwork displayed was created by each member of the family Blanco. Jose Pitoc Blanco was distinguished painter known for his mastery of realism. He dedicated his life to capturing the beauty of everyday Filipino life, from simple rural activity to grand cultural celebration. Glenn Blanco, whose work often focused on Philippine culture and tradition. Noel Blanco, known for expressive and colorful depiction of Filipino life. Michael Blanco, who specialized in realistic portraits and detailed scene. Joy Blanco, the only daughter recognized for her soft and graceful artistic style. Jan Blanco combines modern elements with traditional theme. Jet Blanco, who explore creativity through bold and imaginative artworks.